The potential productivity gains to your business from implementation of practical resource efficiency initiatives on site are substantial. There are opportunities for companies of all sizes to improve competitiveness, whether you're seeking to reduce energy use, cut back on the cost of inputs, or generate less waste. The Australian Industry Group, together with City West Water, with funding provided by Sustainability Victoria, have developed a series of short online videos that showcase how other small and medium businesses have cut costs and boosted productivity. We hope that these will inspire your business to do the same.
Boge Elastmetall Australia is a company that's located in Dingley. It was formed in 1951 and we currently employ 45 people. We're part of a large global automotive component supplier. For the last 50 years we've supplied the local automotive industry with rubber to metal bonded components that they use for their chassis and powertrain suspension. At Boge we design components that we have made outside and we buy them in for pre-treatment prior to vulcanisation in high tonnage rubber injection moulding machines. And when we finish that, we take them out and conduct a number of finishing processes before shipping them to the customer to a just-in-time schedule. In the business we've definitely had a focus on sustainability, on energy efficiency particularly. Over the last years we've built energy reduction into all our process and new designs to the point where there's hardly anything that we do that doesn't take energy into account, and that's been something in the business for a long time. Our first step in embarking on this project was to engage better with our staff. One of our best ideas I think was we gave them an LED light globe to take home to encourage them to think of ideas and bring them back to work as a starting point to get us going. In 2012, ZF announced the year as International Year of Energy, and the target was to reduce energy intensity by 20% by 2015. And we've exceeded that. We achieved the target by the end of 2013, and we've also achieved certification to ISO 50001 for our energy management system before all the other businesses in our group. We developed an energy team from like-minded individuals in the business. We conducted a full and thorough energy audit so we could work out where the energy that we used in the business actually went in our processes and through our equipment. We developed some energy performance indicators because it was important to have a measurable goal and also to be able to visibly show how we were progressing along the way to our target. And at the very end we then developed a roadmap to show the steps along the way so that we could involve our employees in the whole process. Whilst this energy saving program was conducted primarily from a social responsibility perspective, it certainly hasn't escaped our attention that there's been a significant cost saving along the way. At the moment we've reduced our energy bill by approximately $40,000 per annum and saved the equivalent amount of energy that our 45 employees use in their households. We put some plastic panels in the roof and turned all the lights off during the day, but we're now looking at task lighting, so we're going back and having a look at where we can improve what we have got from an energy efficiency point of view. Now that we've achieved a 20% reduction in energy use through efficiency, I'd like to see 50% reduction in carbon emissions in the coming years. We're hoping to use some of the savings from our project to purchase renewable energy to match what we've saved in efficiency improvements, and I expect that by the end of 2015 we should achieve a 50% reduction in carbon emissions from this business. It's been a really rewarding process for us because we have always had a passion for sustainability and energy reduction, and we were quite surprised when we set ourselves a target to reduce a further 20% that we achieved it relatively easily. And I think the other thing that's really been good is it's been a way to engage with our employees in a very successful way. I mean, it's very easy to think you can tell people to come to work because you have to make things to a better cost and a better quality and all the rest, but at the end of the day it doesn't really relate to what they do at home, whereas energy reduction and recycling and things like that are directly related to what people need to think at home. And it's been rewarding not just because it hasn't cost us anything, but also because we've shared some ideas with our employees and they're spreading the word outside the business.
If you've been inspired by this case study to investigate similar opportunities available to your business to cut costs and boost productivity, but you're not sure where to start, why don't you contact the Australian Industry Group's Environment and Energy team for practical information and support? AI Group can help get the ball rolling by providing you with the tools and resources your business needs and assisting you to access relevant industry support programs. We ask you now to take just a couple of minutes to complete our short survey.